Today, we're diving into the JTech Digital 8-button control panel wall plate. This sleek device offers a versatile solution for controlling multiple AV components with ease. Each of the 8 buttons can be customized via mini USB or IR learning, allowing for independent or grouped operations. It supports various control interfaces including RS-232, RS-458, IR, and Relay, making it compatible with a wide range of devices like projectors, screens, and TVs. The inclusion of ready-made labels simplifies button identification, enhancing user experience. Whether it's powering on off devices or adjusting settings, the programmable LED buttons provide tactile feedback. Integrating seamlessly with JTech Digital's HDMI matrices and switches, this panel adds a layer of convenience to managing your AV setup. Backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty and lifetime technical support, JTech Digital ensures reliability and assistance when needed. If you're looking to streamline control of your AV environment, the JTech Digital 8-button control panel is a solid choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.